There's just so much going on here. And I don't even think this is a very busy day, to be honest. I'm lost in here. Over 200,000 people come here every weekend. This is the world's largest weekend market. This is Chatuchak Market in Bangkok, Thailand. They sell everything from plants, books, clothes, jewelry, antiques, housewares, electronics, pets, and I need to get some sunglasses because it is bright. I left mine at home. Let's find something for cheap. That's how I know the 90s are coming back. Wandering for like an hour and I still haven't found the end of this place. I'm lost in here. But there's some air conditioning. I'm still trying to find some sunglasses. Sad or cool, but there were a lot of dogs and cats in those cages. They weren't that expensive. I don't know. Let me know, put it in the comments. What do you think? Is it sad or is it good? Look at all these Buddhas. This one is huge. It's like literally as tall as me. Actually, I think the tip of it is taller than me. There are over 35 acres of shops here, and I feel like I've seen like 2 acres of it maybe. And I've been here for like 2 hours. And I don't even think this is a very busy day, to be honest. Turns out there's an indoor area too, just in case you really need that air con. That guy has the best job in the world. So I took a break for a 30-minute neck and shoulder massage. Cost 200 baht. And it was great. I feel refreshed and it's air conditioned in here, so stopped sweating. She used Tiger Balm, and so my skin is all warm and tingly. And I smell like peppermint, which is probably an improvement. Best way to look like a tourist. But I still haven't found my sunglasses. Pretty sure I just entered the art area. know how much these cost? 100 baht. I guess when it rains, it pours. Got a second pair, and this one was just like $1.50. But they're Ray-Ban knockoffs, spelled R-I-Y-D-O-N. You gotta look pretty close to see it. For $1.50, why not? Going on hour 4, and I just found a new street. I think I'm heading for the exit. Got myself a Coke slushie, and I think I'm done with the market. Anyways, thanks for watching. Travel safe, and I'll see you in the next one.